friends, welcome back to Cooking with Noria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious lentil soup that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious lentil soup, these are my ingredients. I have salt and black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, 2 garlic cloves, half a purple onion, half a tomato, 2 to 3 strips of bacon, and 2 cups of lentils. Of course, water. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and healthy lentil soup at home. So let's get started. I am going to start by getting ready all the veggies. Let me tell you, this is the part that takes much longer, getting your veggies ready for this delicious and healthy lentil soup. Here I'm going to take the skin off the carrots and then I'm going to slice them through the center. I am going to cube the carrots. I want all the veggies to be almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. Look at this. My family really loves this lentil soup. And like I said, it's a very healthy and delicious homemade soup. I have half an onion, purple onion, and I'm just going to dice away 1 tomato, half a tomato, I'm going to slice, cube it, and now I am ready for the potato. I'm going to take the sides off and then I'm going to take the skin off. I'm going to slice them through the center, just like this, and then cube them. Let me tell you, winter and the cold season is right around the corner. And when you are ready to enjoy this amazing lentil soup, enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'm adding 3 strips of bacon. Look at all my ingredients. They just looked amazing. I have 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to dice very small so that they release the amazing flavor of the garlic. Very few ingredients that I'm sure you already have in your pantry. And now on my pan, I'm going to first add the bacon. While the bacon is cooking, I am going to dice my garlic cloves. Look at this. Dice it really small, making sure that the garlic really release all those amazing and delicious flavors. You know I love garlic, so I'm adding 2 garlic cloves and they're nice and large. I dice it very small and then this is ready to go. And let's go to the stove. Let's see how everything is getting nice and cooked. The bacon, you don't want the bacon to be really crispy. You just want the bacon to release the flavor and the oils. And now I'm adding the veggies. I'm going to start with the tomato and onion and adding the carrots. Incorporate it really good. Right after incorporating, I'm adding the potato. I'm going to incorporate and just cook for about 2 to 3 minutes so that everything is coated with the bacon. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long to cook this lentil soup, but the flavors are just going to be amazing. I'm adding the diced garlic and I'm going to incorporate. Look how beautiful all those colors look. Just perfection made at home. After the 3 minutes, I am ready to mix one more time. And now I am ready to add 2 cups of lentils. I'm going to mix really good, incorporate everything really good. And of course, I am going to add hot water. Never add cold water. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and then adding nice and hot water. You don't want to add cold water and bring the temperatures down. You want to always add hot water. We are going to cover it, cook it in medium low heat for about 10 minutes, and then your lentil soup will be so delicious and amazing. After the 10 minutes, the lentils are going to be nice and cooked. Don't overcook your lentils with your veggies. So make sure that with the fork, you touch your potatoes and your carrots. The lentils are going to cook really good. Like I said, when you add hot water, this is going to cook in about 10 minutes. If you liked and loved this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And now I am ready to prepare the plate of the presentation. Look at this. This looks amazing. I am going to enjoy it. See you in a bit. Family, come with me. Let's enjoy this amazing lentil soup. Excuse me. It's still nice and hot and delicious. My friends, I am completely done with this lentil soup. Delicious, healthy, and perfect when you make it at home. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing lentil soup made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.